Good evening, all. Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year, sir.
Yes, Sandeep.
Sir, actually, I had a doubt in a question. I WhatsApped you the question. So
Okay.
maybe during the class.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, just a minute. We'll start. Let your friend join. 2 minutes. Yes. Good evening, all. Happy New Year to everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Happy New Year.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sandeep, you are asking something. Anadeep.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was telling that I posted your question on WhatsApp.
Okay. 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 Can you please post it in WhatsApp?
WhatsApp. Okay. 1 minute.
Have you, Anudeep? And someone was asking,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
can
it's
you do
taking a while.
application? Anudeep, who is this? Applications of trigonometry.
Sir, me, sir, Yogesh.
Yes, Shogesh.
Sir, could we do some problems on applications of trigonometry?
Yes, definitely. We will write a quiz on that. Then we'll discuss the quiz paper. Okay.
Thank
And
you, sir.
tomorrow again we will go with that applications of trigonometry. Definitely.
Okay, sir.
Sir, did it reach you, sir?
1 second, I have to check it out once. So that guys,
Now?
whatever, please post it on WhatsApp so that it will be easy for me to copy and just skip, get on the OneNote. It would be easy for me to explain and get it on the OneNote. Okay, so.
Okay, sir.
Okay, everyone can see the screen here. Okay. Oh, these are trigonometry questions only, right?
Yes, sir, application.
Yeah, I think Yogesh, you have asked this one, right? Okay, Yogesh, look at this. Mhm. Okay, what is given? A vertical tower stands.
Sir, you aren't sharing.
Okay. Look at this. A vertical. A minute. Let me just give it in black mode here. Read the question properly. A vertical tower stands. Oh, a minute. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane. Vertical tower, horizontal plane. This is my horizontal plane. Okay. Okay, this is my horizontal plane. And it is surmounted by a vertical flag stop at a point on the plane 70 meters away from the tower. Away from the tower. Okay. Okay. And observer notices that the angle of elevation of the top and the bottom of the flag stopper respectively. Okay, nice. Find the height of the flag. Okay, very good question. I think not. I think very good question. This is a horizontal plane, so vertical plane. This vertical plane. This horizontal in the horizontal line. Look at this is my horizontal line. On this, if I say vertical tower stands on horizontal plane. This is horizontal plane basically. On this क्या हो रहा है? एक vertical tower ऐसा stand हो रहा है, ठीक है? I just stand vertical tower standing like this. Okay, people. Okay, and it is surmounted by a vertical flag stop.
Sir, means it would be on the tower, sir.
It is surmounted by a vertical stop means like on that tower. देखो.
Upon the tower.
Upon that, 1 minute. So here on this you have a flag stop. Isn't it? Yes. At a point
Yes,
on the plane 70 meters away from the tower. 70 meters away from the tower is what? 70 meters away from the tower. So he has given what? At a point on the plane 70 meters away from the tower is nothing but this is my 70 meters, the which has been given by the bottom away from the tower. An observer notices that the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of the flag stop respectively. Okay, great. Look at it here. So here you have a top and here you have a point. Let's take kuch bhi ek point le lo. This is my S and this is my T. Okay, 2 points. Or else X and Y you take better. Let us consider this is X, this is Y. Now let me join this two like this. Okay. So from that, what is the angle of elevation he has given? Just a minute, people. Just a minute, I'm getting a call. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Chalo. Look at this. So this is what given. Sorry. What he has given, angle of elevations, Flagstaff respectively 60 and 45. And the top kitna hua? 60, 60, and this much. This is 45. Isn't it? Is it clear, people?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So find the height of the Flagstaff. This is what I need to find out here. Isn't it? Isn't it, people? Guys, very good question.
Yes, sir.
And let us consider this as my could be A point and B point. And guys, let us take this as C and D better because A, B, C, D. Okay, C and D. Okay. We have to find out CD here. And BC, how much given? Height of the tower.
Nothing, sir. It's not here.
Sir, AB,
We have to find DB as well as DC.
sir, AB is given 70.
AB is given 70. That is away from the tower. And DC, we have to find out. And first, if you find out the height of the tower, देखो, हाँ, guys, by looking at this data,
We can
this
take
way.
as X, no, sir.
Yeah, you can take, no problem. X. Okay, this is my Y. Okay. Now look at this. We don't know the height of the tower, right? So height of the tower, height of the tower is equal to X. I took X meters. He has given everything in meters, right? Meters, so meters. X meters. Okay, fine. And AB given what? AB, how much? 70. If I observe, guys, look at this here from the triangle B. B from the right angle triangle, what? Right angle triangle. Can I say CBD, not CBD, CBA? From CBA triangle, what happens? CBA triangle, CBA, this lower triangle, this one.
So we can use tan 45
Yeah,
degrees to find
Tan
X.
45 degrees is equal to what? Tan is nothing but what? Opposite by adjacent. So X by 70 for finding X. Anudip, getting my point?
Yes,
X
sir.
is equal to 70. Tan 45 is nothing but 1 here.
70 root 3.
70 root 3. Yeah. Root 3 log 45. This one.
Okay, I thought it's 60, sir. Sorry.
No. The bottom is a 60. We are using the shaded triangle here. Okay. I'm using CBA triangle. Okay. X value kitna mila mujhe? What is the height of the tower now? 70 only.
70.
Okay. Now, if I use triangle, what?
DBA.
From the old triangle, DBA, very good. From the triangle DBA, what is the tan 60? Tan 60 is equal to what? Tan 60 is equal to, dekho, tan 60 is what? Opposite. So y plus 70 plus y, isn't it? 70 plus y.
Yes, sir.
70 plus y divided by the adjacent 70.
AB.
And 60 how much beta? Root 3. Root 3 into 70 is equal to 70 plus y. So y value is going to be what now? 70 root 3 minus 70. Isn't it? Isn't it?
70 common.
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to 70 into root 3 minus 1. This is what Y value. All right. So what he is asking for here? He's asking for what? Height of that Y value this much. So substitute and get that answer. That's it. Root 3 value how much? 1.732 minus 1. So Y is equal to 70 into 0.732. Just multiply, you will get the answer. And I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so shall we go for the quiz now? Areas related to triangles. I mean, not areas related to triangles. Applications of trigonometry. Shall we, guys?
Also.
Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Every one of you.
Yes,
Hello. Great. Okay, just
The
a minute.
51.24 meter.
Whatever. Just calculation only.
Yeah.
Applications of trigonometry class 10 quiz, right? Okay. Mhm. Guys, basically we'll write 2 quizzes today. 10 questions quiz. Fine. Guys, and I would like to ask a question here. Do you want me to conduct a everyday quiz and not conducting on Sunday? Or do you want me to conduct a quiz on Sunday and not conducting on everyday? Tell me which option you want.
Sir, everyday quiz and not
Everyday quiz and not on Sundays.
Yes, sir. Everyday quiz.
What about others? Everyone. Everyday quiz and discussing the question paper, or everyday classes, quiz on Sunday alone.
So like Sundays after each day you'll post the marks.
After each day, no, every day, immediately we are announcing the result, right? Percentage.
Yes, sir.
Every day that will be updating in every day. That will be updating in group.
Okay.
WhatsApp group. I'll be sharing it. Okay, no problem. Yes, everyone joined. 8 members have to join. Okay. 8 members have to join. Come on, who else? Who else has to join? Tushar, Ranadeep, Ashish, Tanvi, Muhammad, shut up. Who has to join? Amrita has to join, I think. Amrita, have you? Amrita have
Sir, I
joined.
have joined.
She has joined. Who is that? Steve has to join. Steve Benjamin. Make it fast,
Sir,
Steve.
joining, sir. Join.
Come on, come on. Yes, let me start the quiz. Make it fast, guys. If you have done, please wait for 2 minutes. Let others finish. Come on. Shut up 100% and rest of the people, Steve 70, Amrita 70, Tushar 70, Anudeep. Why less percent you got, beta? Tell me.
So then
Okay,
read the
you first
question.
you attempt this quiz. After that, we'll just solve that. Make it fast. Solve this quiz. I mean, just join this immediately. Make it fast. Yes, people done. Tanvi, make it fast, Tanvi. Yes, students, have you done? Let me wind it up. Oh, it's already got. Yes, people. Okay, shut up. 90%. Amrita 90. Yes, Amrita good. Tushar 60. Ashish 60. Yogesh 50. Tanvi 50. Anadi 50. Anadi, why you got down?
Sir, I was just too fast. I wasn't thinking.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, how did you feel that paper, guys?
Sir, it was easy, but
Time taken.
So it was easy on this. I didn't read the question well.
Okay. Yes, guys, any doubts? Amrita, any doubts? Hello.
Yes, sir. Can you explain the question which I got wrong?
Just a minute. Then I have to go. Amrita's question number 9 for to Amrita. Then how can we go individual questions? Actually, common question for everyone. Question number 9.
Sir, can you
So for
read the
me,
question?
Which question?
The one which you're talking about.
9th question.
it's the angle of elevation of the top of tower is 30 degree.
Angle of elevation. Acha,
That
this
question I
question.
got.
Okay, this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Look at this question. Angle of elevation. Where is my pen? Yeah. Angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 30 degrees if the height of the tower is doubled. Guys, how many have you done this question? Very good question. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
How many have you done this?
Sir, I didn't get it.
What about others? Shut up.
I didn't get it. Sir.
No, sir, this is the only one I got wrong.
What about others? Tushar.
So the same question appeared in the last quiz.
The same
The
question
same question
appeared in the what?
in the last quiz, sir.
Last quiz. Fine, 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 fine. No one got this question correct. Then, am I right?
Yes, sir.
देखो question देखने के बाद the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 30 degrees. Tower है. If the height of the tower is doubled, then the angle of the elevation of the top will be. Oh, very good question. Basically, try to understand the language of the question. The height of the tower is doubled than angle of elevation. How should our approach should be? How should our approach should be? I've doubled than the angle. Very good question, basically. देखो. This is my tower. Okay, this is my land, I mean the my earth, I mean the base. ठीक है, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टावर, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ये तो हो गया मेरा, देखो एंगल टावर से नीचे ये 30 डिग्रीज, and let us say this is my A B, all right, this is my C point. ठीक है, yes, or else you say X, this is A, this is B, this is C. This is what he has given, what angle of elevation 30 degrees. If the height of the tower is doubled, height, this is the height of the tower which is doubled, then the angle of the elevation of the top. So from this, which can I apply tan 30? Tan 30 gives me what? Height by, let's say this is X,
Perpendicular by base.
okay, H, and by H by X is equal to what? 1 by root 3. This is the condition I got here. Now what he has given, height is doubled. Height क्या हुआ? Double हुआ. Now height got doubled. Height doubled. So which means what? So this became 2h. Same then doubled, then the angle of elevation. We have to find out theta now. See, when I was h, the height of the tower was h, angle of elevation was 30 degrees. When height got doubled, the what is the angle of that particular thing we have to find out. Let us consider this as x. Let us take again this as A, B, C, or else give some other name. Or yes, T. All right, or ST. Okay, so from this triangle, what can I get? Tan theta is equal to what? 2h by x. All right, हाँ guys, because this tan theta is equal to what? 2 times of h by x. कितना है मेरे पास? 1 by root 3. Isn't it, people? You understood my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you here or not? 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 is my tan theta. So 2 by root 3, it never comes in a, like, I mean, like as per the angles which we know, it never comes in the table, right? So theta, like tan inverse of 2 by root 3. You will learn this concept in class 12 standard, class 11 standard. Dekho, whenever you have it, if sin theta is equal to, if I have 1 by 2, then theta will be what? Yes, sin, if I shift to the right hand side, becomes beta sin inverse. Okay, sin inverse of 1 by 2. Now sin inverse of, now 1 by 2, when it comes, sin pi by 6. Sin will get cancelled, theta is equal to pi by 6. This is the basic procedure of inverse trigonometric functions. Now, or else you can just do in this way actually. All right, whenever you have tan inverse of tan theta is equal tan will get, your answer is theta. So but look at this here, if I have tan theta is equal to root 3 something like that, or else this can be written as what? Tan theta is equal to root 3 can be written as what? Tan 60. Now tan will get cancelled, 60 degrees. Okay, this is how you can write. But now if I ask you, right, look at this here, if I ask you tan theta is equal Hello, children. Guys, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I'm extremely very sorry. I was muted. I was shouting like anything. Then why can't you guys? From where you couldn't hear me? People? Hello? Guys, from where you couldn't hear me, guys? Tell me. Amrita, shut up. From where you couldn't hear me?
Can you repeat it?
Sorry, shut up.
Can you repeat what you just said?
Okay, what I'm trying to say here is, look at this here. Here, theta value, how much I got, beta? Theta value 1 point, look at this, 2 by root 3. If I just calculate this 1.732, if I calculate somewhere 1.14, I'm getting approximately somewhere. Okay, approximately I'm getting this. Okay, 1.14. Theta, tan theta is equal 1.4 when it comes. Tan 45 to 50, not 45. Tan 45 how much? 1. Tan 46 how much? 1 point something. So tan 45 से
So
लेकर
between tan 45
yeah,
and tan
45
60.
to 45 to 60 कुछ भी हो सकता है. Not even 60. 60 तो बहुत like it will be so far better, like far greater, right? 60 is this much beta. 45 is 1.
Yes, sir.
देखो, it will be somewhere around 47.
45 to 48.
Yeah, 48 somewhere. So tan 48 if I write so tan 10 again. So theta will be somewhere. Look at approximately. Or else theta will be approximately 48 degrees or 49, 50, kuch bhi. All right. This is what I got now. So now theta value, angle I got 48. Now he's asking for the angle of the elevation of the top. Angle of elevation of the top kya hota hai? Batao mujhe. Now the will be doubled, not possible. Will become 45. No. None of the above. Nahi. No change, 30 degrees. It will be 30 degrees only. How come it will be 30 degrees only? Tell me. Guys,
Sir, if the height increases, then naturally you have to raise your head higher in order to look at it, so your angle of elevation increases, right?
sorry.
If the height of the object
Yeah,
increases,
look
then
at
you
this
have
here.
to look.
Yeah, exactly. You are right. Look at this. If height of the object is keep increasing, you have to keep your head somewhat up. So angle is getting increased here. So that's what I'm saying. Option. Look at this here. The option itself should be none of the above. Option it should be none of the above. Like it should be exactly greater than 45 something and less than where I got 1 second people. I think this page. It should be less than 60 and greater than 45. That should be the option actually. You understood, people?
Yes,
Shut
sir.
up. It should be greater than 45, less than 60. Yes, of course. Now, if the height of the tower is getting increased, beta, like when you are standing here, when you look it up, your height, your head also will be, exactly your rotation, your kya bolta hai, angle also will be changing, and angle also will be increasing actually. All right. So yeah, that is option is wrong there. So yes, you can say the bonus mark for you all. Yes, any doubts, Amrita? Did you understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shadab understood. Anujip understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Clear. So let's retire now. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please, we'll come up with the next topic in the next class. I mean, same topic we'll
Okay.
discuss. If possible, same topic we'll write a quiz, one more quiz, and we'll discuss. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.